Hey, what are you doing over there?
I found a caulk gun.
What?
Checking out my caulk.
Playing with my gun.
Whew.
Find another nest?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, there's a nest on each side and one behind the clock. Alrighty, this is episode 3, and I brought someone with me today. I'm my stepson here, Chad. He's looking around it right now, checking it out. He thinks it's cool. What do you think, Chad? What do you think about this?
Man, I think this thing's pretty cool. Ready to get it running.
Ready to get it running? Me too.
Got a little bit of work to do.
Just a little bit. So we're going to get in and we're going to tear the floor out when we can get to the channel and the wiring harness and the airlines and things like that where it's broke or cut, missing, stolen. And we're going to tear it out, do a little time lapse on that. So let's get started. Time to start tearing the floor out. We got to tear this channel out right here. You see the ridges in the floor. Carpet's going to come out all the way down to the back. That way we can gain access to everything underneath. Don't hit your head.
Hit my arm. I'm short enough. Got plenty of space. Except for right here. I gotta do a little duck.
Yep, I do too.
Do a little duck. But other than that, I'm good.
As you see, we got the carpet out to get the access to these panels here on the floor. Chad watched me as I did all the work.
Oh yeah, just chilling. See, I got my drink there next to the chair.
So got all that nasty stuff out. Got all the way to the back here. This side, of course, that big cabinet sitting on it. So we got to, all that's got to come out first before we can move that. So we got to take those covers off. And then we have access to where he cut the wiring harness, where he cut the brake lines in the front end and the back. And all the repairs can be done from up here on the top side. Make it a lot easier for Chad. He wanted to crawl around in the belly of the beast.
Yeah, I don't mind mud, but that doesn't seem like a good time.
The belly of the beast.
Ooh, the beast. I like that name.
That's what we'll call it. We'll call it the beast.
The beast. I like it.
So I got this screw here loose. Was able to turn it. It's like a halfway turning. Oh, here you go. Here's what it looks like. So it's just a,
yeah.
It's just a little pin on the bottom that
This just got
got a little-
42 years of dirt.
it's got a notch. And then this panel comes up. There's one on each end. Chad's trying to get that one out, but it's been there since 1975, most likely. Never taken up. You might have got it. Is it coming up?
Well, the whole little grommet fire. Hey, thumbtacks are sharp.
Yeah.
That's neat. You see, let's see.
There we go. It's turning.
Don't
It
even
only
have-
turns halfway, yeah. And then it comes up.
don't know which way.
So, Chad, how did you get suckered into this?
I bought a shady old farm truck, F-150, that had wiring issues, fuel pump relay issues. I could do mechanical
Headlights.
stuff. Oh yeah, headlights, which didn't make any sense. But I don't like electrical, so you helped me a lot on that one, and so I figured I could come in here and tear stuff out. I always like tearing stuff out anyway.
All right, go ahead.
Let's see how it turns out.
There we go. Look at that.
Bingo.
So one down and about, what, 3 to go back there?
I think we have like one
We already have those in the...
18-footer to go.
Right
16
in
or
that corner right there is where he cut all those copper lines. These copper
Right
lines
here?
right here, he cut them right there.
something. Oh, yeah,
So now we'll be able to come in here and splice them in this opening right here, since the floor will be out of the way.
Let's see.
Is that one attached differently, you think? Is there side strap?
It doesn't seem like there's really a whole lot. Maybe I was wrong, but I dang sure didn't see.
Are there any
anything.
side screws there anywhere?
Set it to our faces.
I don't know what all that stuff there is. That's years of yarn. That's what you call yarn.
Wait, what is it?
Yarn. That right there? Yarn.
How you zoom in with this thing?
That's a southern term. When you say, yeah, that's some yarn right there.
Some gradu.
You gotta bring the shop back. Generator, shop back. Get this thing cleaned out.
Yeah, you got work to do tomorrow.
Alright. I don't have my glasses on. I can't see if there's any screws. I don't see no screws, do you?
I don't
Tell
either.
you what, I'll let you try to pull it up since my ribs broke.
There you go. Old broke rib.
I hurt myself this morning. Hurt my rib really bad, so I can't hardly breathe, can't hardly pull nothing, sit up straight.
Hey, what were you doing when you hurt yourself?
Working on his truck.
Thank you. I found the same.
Nice.
So we need to... That's smart. There's a hammer 3 feet from me.
If it had a hammer.
All hammy.
That's Hammy the Hammer.
It's a good friend of mine, Hammy. Hammy the Hammer. I have another friend with the same name. Will you hand me the screwdriver? Please and thank you.
So I had a boy working for me years ago, and I would say, "Hand me the hammer," and so he started calling the hammer Hammy, Hammy the Hammer. It was like, no, it's hand me the hammer. No, it's hand me the hammer.
I don't know if that was necessary.
There was a screw there. Did that help?
I don't know, but it made me feel better.
Look at that. What would I do without him?
I would be a lot less stressed. Your rib wouldn't hurt.
Yeah, if I really would hurt, I could pick up on it.
Oh, that's all broke, whatever this is.
There must be some kind of glue that they had with that old vinyl floor that used to be in here. How long is that one? Oh, it don't matter if it breaks, we can replace it.
Yep.
It's just plywood.
All right, watch out. I'm gonna twist it. I'm gonna attempt to twist it.
There you go. You got it. Anybody want a TV? Here's a free television.
Hold on. Let's show them what it doubles as.
It's a TV, and it's also our
Very good.
it's our time-lapse phone holder.
Camera stand.
That was his idea. Well, that's 3/4 of this.
Watch your ankle. Pokey.
Watch my ankle.
Das Kenkel. Well, should we continue?
Well, we'll have to move that cabinet because it's sitting on top of that board, which is sitting on top of that board.
That seems heavy.
Unless you can break that board.
Well, this is an access panel. It's got, I think, 4 of those flathead things.
Okay. Yeah, because that's where the drive axle is. That's
So
that is
this.
screwed down.
Where's that knife? Should be able to cut. Get her done. I don't know if that helped, but it made me feel better.
I'm gonna tear some stuff up. Just say, Chad, come tear it up.
You gotta know how to play your strengths. Hey, I can move that whole cabinet just with a piece of carpet.
Just cut it.
Yeah.
Might help a little bit. Alright, that's cool. Well, we moved this cabinet. Look at all the garbage, man. We moved the cabinet. Chad's ripping the carpet out here now. So now we have access
Good night.
to the last panel, which is over the drive axle right here. And that's where we have an air leak for sure. And that's where the lines are cut, the wiring harness is cut. There's where the wiring harness was cut. There's a copper line cut. And the other copper lines are cut right there. You see them? So now I have access to them from the top side. So I'll be able to pull it out right here and work on it. Luckily he didn't get to those 2 copper lines right here, these big ones. I guess because they were insulated he didn't really realize it. If I pull this harness out, I'll be able to splice it here and get to it right up there. That's a good day there. I worked hard. That was a good one-person job there. I'm glad I had somebody here with me to do it.
Yeah, good one-person job.
Yeah, that'd be it for today. I think we're gonna call it a day. It's been a long, hard day. Even though this little short video don't look like we did it in 10 minutes, we didn't. It took us like 9 hours. I'm only joking. It didn't. It took 30 minutes. No, he helped me out a lot. Got this stuff tore up, so now I can get in here and start splicing this stuff together. And we're gonna get this thing cracked here pretty soon. Hey! What are you doing over there?
I found a caulk gun.
What?
Checking out my caulk.
Playing with my gun.
Whew.
Find another nest.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, there's a nest on each side and one behind the clock.
I want to meet him. I bet his name's Rascal.
And that's his flat, right?
Yeah, this is Rascal's flat. Oh. This is his girlfriend's house.
So what's your word for the day, Chad? What's the final word for the day?
We don't really have anything. Wear gloves. Watch out for the one screw in the wall when you lean over, and thumbtacks. Okay.
Peace out.